How to fix WhatsApp service status unavailable problem. So let's go. So first go to setting. Now click on additional setting. Click on application management. Now find WhatsApp. Now click on WhatsApp. Now first clear cache and enable all permissions and go back. Go to Play Store. Now go to search bar. Now search WhatsApp. First update your WhatsApp. After updating, the problem will be solved easily.